Welcome to my channel. Big. Second step, once you're at the site, click Apply for a loan and next click Apply for a short-term loan, multi-purpose loan. Third step, choose loan type and choose MPL, then enter your Pag-IBIG MID number and click Validate your MID. Fourth step, enter your active cell phone number and email address, then hit OK and proceed, and then wait for the OTP, one-time PIN, that will be sent to your cell phone. Fifth step, enter the OTP, one-time PIN, and choose your cash card, loyalty card plus Alpad Union Bank and Land Bank of the Philippines, and then enter your cash card number and click Check Cash Card Status. Prepare the loan requirements, take a photo of the application form, or you can use Adobe Fill to sign up the form, valid ID selfie photo with your ID and cash card. Seventh step, upload clear copies of your application form, valid ID and selfie photo. Final step, once done uploading, submit application and hit OK. And then wait for the loan reference number and you can check it through Virtual Pag-IBIG site. And you are done. Thank you for watching.